What's up, YouTube? You know it's your boy Dirty D, and I'm back with another video. You know what's going on. By the title, you can see that I'm trying to teach y'all how to take off. Yep, make myself look stupid. It's locked, but I'm trying to show y'all how to take this door panel off in a 05 to 09 Mustang GT. You know, it may be applicable in other models, but I don't know because I haven't owned one. But I'm finna show y'all how to take it off. But there's a couple videos out there, but I'm finna show y'all how to do it in it. But anyway, let me go ahead and get into the video. All right, so your tools of choice, you're gonna want a 7mm socket. Well, forget the socket ring. You're gonna want a 7mm socket. You can either use a wrench or a screwdriver. I prefer a screwdriver because it's quicker. You need also a T30 Torx screw. You see, look, if you don't have this, you're not gonna get in. Trust me, I've already tried. All right, so to get started, you're gonna need to remove 8. I think it's 8. It may be 8 7mm bolts that are already on the door. These are probably the ones that you see. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So yes, you need to remove all 8 of them that are on the door, and then we'll move on to the next step.
Damn, apple's cold as fuck.
He just stalled out. After you're done with that, you need to take off this piece. This piece, you have to use a flathead to get through this piece, and then you also need to take this off. So I guess I'll start with this one. You gotta kind of wiggle it around, try and finagle it. Like I said, just wiggle around, finagle it. On the other side, there will be like a knob, and it'll have like a plug kind of like this, and basically all you do is just unplug it. Everything in here is pretty much plug and play, so it's pretty much easy to get anything, access anything that you need in this car. Now we're going to try and take out this piece down here. Just kind of pry it open, just get it out. Simple. Take your Torx 30. Get that out of there. Now let's try and pull this off. Easiest way to do it is actually still use your flathead. It's easiest to getting all this plastic off. Hopefully I didn't just break anything. Kind of pull it kind of hard. No, so now you're gonna have the plug for the window switch. Kind of just plug it, and there you go. Now the last couple things, you need to take this out somehow. I think the best way is to go from the top if I can. The wind isn't affecting you. Well, the way I got it out was I just kind of like pried it at the top. It's kind of easier to pry it at the top, like because there's if I can get it out, there's a piece at the top that you really need to pull down. The one at the bottom is easy to come out, and then the one on the side is, you know, kind of easy. But if you pull it from the top or pull it from the top left, you should be able to get it out fairly easy. Now that you have everything off, you need to still pull out this Torx 30 screw, and then there's also another 7mm bolt right there. So we'll pull out the Torx. Got that out. Let's get the 7mm. But you hate when that happens. Free to lift up the door if I am remembering correctly. Now, the most awaited time is to pull it off. Kind of lift up, jingle it a little bit, and you have it off. All right, now that I have it off, what you're gonna wanna do is disconnect all these wires back here using the plug and play system. You pretty much plug this one, that one's already plugged. Then you come over here and plug subwoofer, that's removed. Now to get this out, all you have to do is kind of scrape it up on the floor. Just kind of just push on it from the back, kind of give it a little wiggle. You know, there's a lot of finagling going on. You have to push with two hands, but once you get it out, all you have to do is kind of like turn it in here. Oh, sheesh. Oh, that's probably why it didn't come out as easy. Just push it back towards the back, and push it out, and there you go. You have your door panel. That's pretty much it. That's how you get it off. Basically, all we were trying to do is get out so I can fix all this. If you need to see that video, it's gonna be right here in the pinned or whatever you call that up there. And yeah, go click on it. But other than that, if I helped you, leave a like, comment, subscribe, do whatever you gotta do. You know it's your boy, Dirty D, and I'm out. Peace.